Hi, friends. I miss you. Welcome back to coding class. I hope you're all staying safe and you're excited to get back into the real deal of coding. So, I posted this lesson a month ago on March 5th. So, if you already did this lesson, that's amazing. I have some extras for you to double check and some additional work for you. If you haven't even looked at it, do not worry. Today, I will guide you through it. So let's get going. So when we first go to our, I'm in the middle of scheduling it because I don't want to alarm you and to see it in your Google Classroom because it's Sunday night. All right, so when we go to classwork today on code.org tab, you will see the assignment. So for me, it says edit assignment because I'm your teacher, but you'll see view assignment. We'll see lesson 9, multi-page websites. So you're publishing your website today, which is really exciting. So we'll learn how to do some hyperlinks today. That's one of the vocabulary words. That's the only vocabulary word. Their new code is less than a greater than, less than slash a greater than, which is the code we put around the hyperlink. Project guide I have attached. Everyone has a copy. So you will complete that and you will turn it in. The rubric attached, that's just to view and that's to make sure you are doing your best work. I'm sure you will. And when you are done, you will email me your completed website. Here's my email address. And also, please email me any questions you have. I know it's really tricky stuff, but you guys are all so smart and I know you can do it. But I'm very visual and you probably are too. So if you send me screenshots of your work, or I can also go in and look at your code, I can help you debug remotely. And there's a video in addition to this video. It's a YouTube video from code.org explaining how to publish your website. And there's just one little trick at the end, but you guys can figure that out. All right, so let's get to it. Let's click on code.org. It will bring us right to lesson 9. And I signed out on purpose because some of you haven't signed in so long. It will bring you to this screen. So do not fill out anything here. Right? Work smarter, not harder. Just click the red continue with Google. Click on your Concord email address. I have a few on here. Click on your Concord email address. And as always, allow Google Classroom. All right, here we go. So page 1 of lesson 9 is basically what I just went over with you. All right, let's get this out of the way, this little box. Thank you very much. All right, so this is the only thing we're really learning today in relation to multi-page websites. So they usually give us a little warm up, and this is the only real drill today, and everything else we'll be doing our own website. So as always, I read the instructions, so I'm not going to read them to you. I know you can read them yourself, but they want you to use the inspector tool to see what code creates these hyperlinks. And it's less than a href equals quote, recipe.html quote greater than, and then Scotcheroos recipe. And you realize that this is what's making it blue and hyperlinked, and this is the word. Same thing with how to juggle. Fun facts about candy. All right, so they want you to view, and sometimes that's the only task for the bubble, but we have to keep reading. All right, so we don't have a partner, or if you do, if you have a sibling or something who's taking my class right now too, that's awesome. I think that's only 1 or 2 brothers in my class, so if not, that's fine. You don't have a partner. If you're really stuck, you can always ask me. The third bubble is saying, click on recipe.html right here in the files list on the left-hand side. You know where the files list is. You guys are so smart. Add a hyperlink to the top of this page. So it automatically defaults to your index.html. That's your homepage. That's what we're viewing. So this is what we're seeing. This is beautiful. This is great code. They want us to click on recipe.html. I guess we can access it here, or you can go like this, right? Recipe.html, whatever you want, here or here. I guess they're telling us to do here, but just fun fact, you can also access it from here. So click on recipe.html, and I will finish this video in another link. Thanks a lot.